I wanna cherish the moments. Take every minute and waste them with your
Boat ride.
Eventful.
time. Treat every second as if we're gonna die tonight. I wanna give you a kiss.
We know a good marriage must be created. That oftentimes in marriage, it's the little things that really do become the big things.
However, there's something new in his life. He started to talk about this girl that he's been chasing. This girl's been playing hard to get. But Sean eventually won her over with that Sean Squire charm that everybody knows.
Second as if we're gonna die tonight. I